Hi, this is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is Friday, 17th of April. We're going to start off with the euro against the US dollar on the 4-hourly chart. As you can see, that the US dollar has been weakening further as it continue to post weaker than forecast data, such as yesterday itself. Unemployment claims actually climbed to 294,000. Higher than the forecast of 284,000. Building permits and housing starts are also higher, except for the manufacturing index, which is slightly better than the forecast itself. Um, so that, however, has pushed back the sentiment of the Federal Reserve to raise interest rate earlier. So that's why the US dollar has continued to weaken further. And let's come back to the chart. We are seeing the euro against US dollar has been appreciating, and it's still appreciating right now. Currently, it is about to hit the 200 moving average, followed by the resistance level of 1.0902. So we are expecting price to appreciate further. So we might want to take a look at the smaller time frame to see if we can go for the intraday long in the smaller time frame itself. In the 1-hourly chart, I would like to see price to retrace a little bit further till it touches the 55 moving average for a long opportunity. And in the 15-minute chart, probably we want to see price to retrace a little bit further to this level at 1.0694 before we really go for the long opportunity again. But right now we are seeing the price has been consolidating, came down and went back up again. Well, we might be able to see some retracement right here. So that's for the euro against the US dollar. Next, we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. So price has appreciated ever since it got supported at the price of 0.7421, and then it just appreciated all the way and got resisted right now at the price of 0.7692, Fibonacci expansion 141.4%, which is also the previous high back here. So right now we are seeing the price is appreciated again, moving very close back to the same level. If we see resistance at this level itself, this could be a very good opportunity to go for the shorts. So, yep, look at the 15-minute chart. If it forms something like that, similarly, then we might be able to go for the short opportunity. And the first level, of course, we will be looking at the price of 0.7612, followed by 0.79, 0.7493. Alright, so that's for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Next, we have the pound against the US dollar. So as we can see that, as we can see that price has been appreciating ever since it got supported at the price of 1.4558, Fibonacci expansion 141.4%, and right now it is about to. It has also broken above the falling trend line, as we can see here, and it is about to reach a key resistance level of 1.4982, which has been keeping price below it for the past 1 month itself. If we zoom out a little bit to the day one charts, we can see that this price, this resistance right now is actually a previous key support level in the day one charts, previously back in 23rd of Jan. So this is actually a very strong resistance, and it is about to hit. We might be able to find some good short opportunity right here, as we see price getting resisted at a resistance level. Alright, so that's for the pound against US dollar. Next, we have Aussie against the US dollar. Price has been appreciated ever since it got rebounded off from the previous low at the support level of 0.7554, and we also see that it has already closed slightly above the Fibonacci expansion of 161.8%, the price of 0.7790 for this retracement itself, and right now we are seeing price is breaking above it again, so we might be able to see price appreciating even further. However, if it comes back to the same level over here at 0.7880 and it starts to pull back, that might give a good signal to go for the shorts. So that is for the Aussie against the US dollar. Next, we have the dollar against the Japanese yen. Alright, as you can see, there is a rising trend line, alright, based on the day one chart, and price has been supported persistently at this level, but right now we are seeing that it is attempting to break below. So we shall see what's going to happen here, because this seems to be a very good support level if you zoom in into a smaller time frame, such as the H1 charts. If it's able to pull back from here, then this might be a very good opportunity to go for a long instead. Right, we have been seeing the US dollar weakening for quite significantly, and therefore this might be a very good price that most traders might want to go into to long the US dollar again. So that's pretty straightforward for the dollar against the Japanese yen. Next, we can take a look at dollar against the Swiss franc. So price has, broke below the 200 moving average again, and it continues to fall further, breaking below the support level 0.9574, and since that's the case, we might be able to expect price to fall a little bit further, closer to the support level 0.9483, before we see price begin to rebound off again. But however, at this point of time itself, price might just rebound off at this moment. Alright, that's still very hard to say. So just gotta keep a watch out for this pair as of now. And next, I would just like to touch on the dollar against the Canadian dollar, as we see the price has already broken below the bottom of a major rising trend channel, and it has hit and got supported at the key exhaustion level at the price of 1.2147, Fibonacci expansion 161.8%, and then we see the pullback. Right now we are seeing the price is coming down again. If price were to get supported at the same level again, this could be a good opportunity to go for a long. Alright, so that's for the dollar against the Canadian dollar. And last but not least, I would just like to touch on the euro against the pound. In the 4-hourly chart itself, we do see that there's a formation like that, and price has successfully broken below the support level at 0.7224, came back and got resisted again at the same level. So this level has turned from support to resistance, and currently price is very close to the same level again. If we zoom in the 1-hourly charts, when the price comes back to about, say, 0.7221, that would be a good price to go for the short again. Alright, the overall trend, as you can see right here, it is still bearish. So that's for the euro against pound, and with that, I've come to the end of today's trading analysis video. Just take note that later on at 4:30 p.m. Brazil GMT, there will be average earnings index and claimant count change for the pound, and followed by the core CPI for the Canadian dollar and the US dollar, which can be very volatile for the markets, although it's a Friday already. So, yep, that's the end, and thank you for watching. I'll see you again.